Hi, I'm Dara, and this is day 7 of 27 weeks to starting a real-life million-dollar local business. Yesterday we created our logo. Today it's time to choose our theme, install it on WordPress, and connect our domain and have our online presence established.
Another thing is to look at other sites that are in your industry. What we primarily do is look at some startup sites, like sites that are well funded or that came through an incubator process, and you'll find that very often those sites look very much the same or very similar at least. And that's because there are certain things that are A/B tested and quantitatively analyzed to show to prove like how well a site is going to convert and so on. And those guys have the best people working on their projects, and we're able to get some ideas from them as well.
Again, I usually look for inspiration before making the final decision on website direction. Here are a few sites I like in terms of design. This one is clean, straight to the point headline, beautiful images, a great call to action, and bullet points that further clarify. It makes me want to sign up. And then this site, again, is clean, to the point, informative, and has testimonials, and is focused on conversion.
Hey Nicola, how are you?
Hey Dara, very well. You?
Pretty good. I'm installing the WordPress theme. Could you take me through how to do that?
Yes, okay. So first step first is that you buy one of our themes on the demo.themes3.net/launch27. I will go through whole process. For example, if I would like to buy this Blue Dream theme, I will just click here. You can see whole demo, all pages included in this theme, and you can just click on, you can test responsive as well, and everything else. So basically you can just click buy now button.
Cool.
Once you click buy now button, you will be redirected on a secure payment page where you need to fill all those informations, and basically I can complete my order.
Okay, cool.
Great, so our website is up, but we still need to customize a copy. Tomorrow we will talk about creating copy that converts like a pro. See you tomorrow.